I was watching YouTube shorts and shit myself because of skibiditoilet. Hello, my name is Timmy, and this is my story. It all started one fateful day after school. Me and my Rizzler gang went to rizz up the girls in our class. The girls all had a level 4 Ice Spice bussin' GYATT straight from Ohio, my boy. And I simply couldn't resist rizzing up that bussing skibidi Ohio Ice Spice GYATT. I tried using my Kai Cenat RIZZ, but I failed in the end. I don't need girls anyway. I'm a skibidi Sigma after all. I only care about the GYATTs. Anyways, me and my Ohio gang grittied back home the Aki way. We switched on the television and started watching YouTube shorts. We learned some new RIZZ lines straight from Ohio and also watched some lanky box. But then, all of a sudden, skibiditoilet popped up. All my friends started screaming and crying. My pal, who pretty much has RIZZ from Ohio, started singing the skibiditoilet song, Skibidi dup dup dup, yes yes. It only scared me more. I ate a cheesecake only a few minutes before, and boy was it bussing. But all of a sudden, my level 3 GYATT started to rumble. Shit spewed out my asshole. Fuck!